Hey there, this is Sugarcoder. In this video, I want to share with you some cool and useful items that I found at Dollar Tree that can be used for cookie decorating. First up are these awesome stencils. The size is small enough to fit a cookie stencil holder, and there are a variety of shapes. Dollar Tree sells these colorful binders and sheet protectors, so I got them to protect and organize the cookie stencils. These squeeze bottles are great to hold royal icing for decorating cookies, and they cost only $2 for $1. I saw this useful scoring tool and long toothpicks that can be used to move icing around and pop air bubbles. The other side of the scoring tool can be used to fix mistakes. So this is just a quick demonstration of me using a squeeze bottle and needle tool to decorate a cookie. And last but not least, I was quite thrilled that Dollar Tree sells such a cool spiral art set. Originally, I got it for creating spiral art, but then I wondered, would it work to hold cookie stencils? And to my surprise, it holds cookie stencils well. Here's a demonstration on how I used it to airbrush a cookie. The bottom piece of the spiral art set is removable, which makes it very convenient to hold a cookie and airbrush it. This is how I usually airbrush cookies. If there are other designs on the cookie stencil, I usually put tape around the design so that I don't accidentally airbrush that as well. I still can't believe that I can use this spiral art set to hold cookie stencils. There are many cookie stencil holders out there in the market that cost more than $10. Some of them cost even more money, like $20 to $70. And this one only costs $1. And if you don't like the colors because it's too colorful, you can always use spray paint and paint it all one color. This spiral art set comes in a few colors. I bought another green color one, but there were little stubs attached to it, so it doesn't work as well as this purple one. The purple one doesn't have any stubs attached to the bottom of it. So anyways, I hope that you liked this video and found it useful. If you like it, definitely let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching and have a sweet day.